Today I just wanted to show you this little water fountain. I've had this fountain for about one or 2 years now, and I run it every single day just in the background of my room. It's in the corner of my room. It gives off a nice little light in the corner, and I really like just having moving water going at all times. I like the sound of it, so whenever I wake up I turn it on. I have it attached to this power outlet, so all my lights turn off or on. So I turn it on like that, and I'm surprised it's lasted this long, to be honest. The only thing I have to do is really refill the water quite often. I think maybe every week or so the water levels will go down because it'll evaporate, so I just keep a glass bottle of tap water. I know they recommend using filtered water, but I've just used tap water the whole time, and it's actually, looks pretty good still. So yeah, this is what it looks like here. I have my own little store seeds in there, so the water comes out through there, cycles, and it's a nice little stream. I really like this fountain, and I think if you're looking for something simple that looks really good, doesn't make too much noise, it's very subtle, as you can hear right now. Super subtle. I recommend this fountain.